Hello everyone, this is my review of the Bose SoundLink mini Bluetooth speaker. This Bluetooth speaker has excellent sound quality. It's very small, compact that you can take around with you. It doesn't have a regular plug-in. It has a charge pad that you put it on so you can take it off easily and not have to unplug it and take it around the house or anywhere with you. I'll show you the charge pad in a minute. You can connect this to your phone or any Bluetooth device. This is a charge pad here. You just stick it on top there and it starts charging. If you can see the light here on top. You have the controls on top as well. So you can pause it, play, turn it on, turn it off. I keep this in my garage so I can have music while I'm there working in the garage. But yeah, this thing is pretty cool, and I hope that this review helps.